So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and save and download Twitch streams. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So if you're about to download your own stream, then you can actually go ahead and do that by the thing called VODs. So I'm just going to go ahead and show that to you real quick. In order to enable VODs, all you need to do is first things first, open your Twitch account. I'm just going to go ahead and mute. All right, and then head into your profile and click on create a dashboard. Once you're here, click on the setting and click on stream and make sure that a store past broadcast is going to be on right over here. However, if you want to download someone else's stream, there is a complete different way to go ahead and do that, and that is going to be by using a third-party application. So for example, let's just say here's Mira. Let's just go ahead and click on her profile and then look for streams she had before. So for example, I can copy this right over here. So let me just go ahead and copy this, click on share, copy link, and then head into Twitch stream downloader, just like that. And then click on the first link, and then you can simply go ahead and paste the URL and click on submit. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.